Welcome to Graphic Design, crafting visual stories with creativity and technology. Presentation Overview. Evolution of graphic design. Graphic design has evolved from early forms in cave paintings to modern digital design, and its influence can be seen in art, advertising, and media. Key design principles. Every graphic designer should master key design principles such as typography, color theory, and layout design to create effective visual communications. Practical design skills. Practical design skills such as using design software, creating a logo, and designing for different mediums are essential for graphic designers to create professional quality designs. The evolution of graphic design. Early forms of graphic design. Cave paintings and hieroglyphics represent some of the earliest forms of graphic design where humans communicated through images and symbols. Rise of modern graphic design. With the advent of printing presses, modern graphic design emerged, allowing the mass production of books, posters, and other printed materials. Emerging trends in graphic design. Today, graphic design is constantly evolving with emerging trends, new technologies, and an ever changing consumer landscape. Early forms of graphic design. Cave paintings. Cave paintings are one of the earliest forms of graphic design, dating back to prehistoric times. They were used to communicate information about hunting and other activities and often depicted animals and other figures. Hieroglyphics. Hieroglyphics were used in ancient Egypt to communicate ideas and information. They consisted of pictures and symbols that represented words and concepts. Illuminated manuscripts. Illuminated manuscripts were created by monks in medieval times to illustrate religious texts. They were intricately decorated with images and designs using vibrant colors and gold leaf. The rise of modern graphic design. Printing press revolution. The printing press revolutionized graphic design, allowing for mass production of books and other printed materials, making information more accessible to people and shaping graphic design as we know it today. Typography. The development of typography during the printing press era played a crucial role in the evolution of graphic design, allowing designers to convey information more effectively and efficiently. Posters. Posters became a popular medium for graphic design during the printing press era, as they were an effective way to convey a message and capture the audience's attention. Emerging trends in graphic design. Minimalism. Minimalism is an emerging trend in graphic design that focuses on simplicity and minimal use of colors, shapes, and textures. It emphasizes on clarity, elegance, and functionality. Geometric shapes. Geometric shapes have become an increasingly popular trend in graphic design, with designers using circles, squares, triangles, and other shapes to create eye-catching designs that are both modern and timeless. Bold typography. Bold typography is another trend in graphic design that has gained popularity. This technique involves using large, bold fonts to create a strong visual impact and draw attention to specific elements of the design. Design principles to master typography. Typography is the art and technique of arranging type to make written language legible, readable, and appealing when displayed. It is key element principle that every graphic designer should master. Color theory. Color theory is the study of color and how it can be used to create visually appealing designs. It is a crucial design principle that every graphic designer should master to create effective designs. Layout design. Layout design is the process of arranging visual elements such as texts, images, and shapes to create a visually appealing and functional design. It is a key design principle that every graphic designer should master. Typography. Typography is a key aspect of design that involves arranging type in a way that is legible, readable, and visually appealing. It includes the use of different types of fonts, font families, and typefaces. Color theory. Color wheel. Color wheel is a basic tool used in color theory that shows the relationships between colors. It is divided into primary, secondary, and tertiary colors and helps designers create color schemes. Color schemes. Color schemes are combinations of colors that create an aesthetically pleasing and balanced design. There are different types of color schemes such as monochromatic, complementary, and analogous. Psychology of color. Psychology of color studies how colors affect human emotions and behavior. Different colors evoke different emotions and can be used to convey a message or brand identity. Layout design. Layout design principles. Layout design principles are important and include balance, contrast, and visual hierarchy. Understanding these principles can help to create visually appealing and effective layouts. Text and image placement. The placement of text and images on a page is important in layout design. Proper placement can help to create a clear and organized visual hierarchy, while improper placement can lead to confusion and disorganization. Practical design skills. Design software. Design software is an essential tool for graphic designers. Every designer should master at least one design software to create professional designs. Creating a logo. Creating a logo is an important skill for graphic designers. A logo is the visual representation of a brand or company and should be visually appealing and memorable. Designing for different mediums. Designing for different mediums is an important skill for graphic designers. Designers should be able to create designs that work well on different mediums, such as print, web, and social media. Using design software. Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop are essential tools for graphic designers. Creating a logo, brainstorming ideas. First step in creating a logo is to brainstorm ideas and concepts that best represent the brand or company. This involves researching the company's values, target audience, and competition. Choosing the right colors. Colors play an important role in logo design as they can convey emotions, values, and even cultural differences. It is essential to choose colors that best represent the brand and appeal to the target audience. Typography. Typography is the selection and arrangement of fonts and typefaces in a logo. It is important to use legible and recognizable fonts that complement the design and reflect the brand's personality. Designing for different mediums. Print design. Print design involves designing for physical materials such as books, flyers, and billboards. It requires an understanding of layout, typography, and color theory. Web design. Web design involves designing for websites and requires an understanding of user experience, visual hierarchy, and responsive design. Mobile design. Mobile design involves designing for mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. It requires an understanding of user interface design, touch interactions, and platform-specific design guidelines. Conclusion. Graphic design is a diverse and rewarding field that offers endless possibilities for creativity and self-expression. Whether you're designing a logo for a small business, creating a website for a client, or working on a personal project, good design principles and practical skills are essential to succeed in this field. Thank you.